my God.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello. On today's episode of Life of Ballin', we're over here at Crawler Innovations Backyard Track, and we're about to see what will break, as Byron already broke his Traxxas Maxx. This is some ultimate bashing. Stay tuned. Yeah, Byron got the X-Maxx out now. We got Bigfoot. We're about to go hit this jump. His $300 X-Maxx. Oh! Pinion. I think the
stupid piece of junk.
I think the pinion came off. That was pretty cool. Can Bigfoot push the X-Maxx? Let's see. Bigfoot tries to mate X-Maxx. Hey, I got you. I got you. You're steering. I can't steer, brother. Are you ready, Ezra? The truck is falling apart. I lost my grill. Bigfoot. Oh no, the grill completely came off. Byron, I'm a little messed up. I'm a little messed up.
Yeah, that happened the other day.
Got the X-Maxx, the Raptor, and now Bigfoot out here. Oh my God. What was that noise? Either a grinded gear or the pinion's coming off. Oh my God. I don't know if you just broke teeth or what.
I broke something.
I hope
that's
the rear diff.
I think that's rear diff.
That gear is so hot, you gotta let Alex try it out.
No.
It brands you real quick. Try it out, Alex. Come on, we all did it. We all did it.
Be a puss.
Dude, that... God dang, that's hot, man.
Let's see how long it takes to melt. I'm just kidding, it ain't gonna melt.
$300, it's worth it.
I mean, it still is.
Yeah.
I bet that gear will run, but it's gonna sound terrible. Dang, I was really hoping you had an X-Maxx for today. Ow. Ow. Okay. The camera can't even pick that up. What happened?
I think I blew the tire.
Blew the tire to gear. Ow. Let's assess Alex's damage real quick. The battery just came out?
The battery came out.
You had that Injecto mod, cuh. The Traxxas Maxx makes its return. Oh, body already came off. Oh my gosh. Jeez. What was that, like a quad? I think that's more than 4. Whoa! I took my phone off. Whoa! Oh my gosh, it literally made my phone fall. Wow! It did the same thing, it just shredded right off. Dude, it took my phone right out of the thing.
You ever regret
that? Yes. So after Byron already destroyed 2 of his trucks, he's gonna use his 8S ESC swapped Maxx Slash, but only on 6S. We'll see how long this one lasts for you, Byron.
2 minutes.
2 minutes? All right, let's see.
Just kidding.
I think it'll last 5 minutes.
It'll last longer.
Because this one's usually bulletproof, and plus you're running on 6S.
Yeah, I can't run 8S.
No,
yet.
give it at least 3 seconds. It'll be fine.
3 seconds?
Yes.
I mean, Traxxas says it's supposed to run on 6S, so. But they didn't let this maniac behind the wheel at R&D.
Oh, this is depressing. I did not put the start button.
You went to flip him over and what?
I just smacked him.
Oh.
Hey, it'll pop out.
Yeah, that's a big old dent right there. Get a good one, Alex. Okay. Or miss both the ramps. Ow. Come here, buddy. That's a little bit more messed up than I thought. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so glad I started recording. I did get that. Oh.
Oh, that's fine.
He's like, I can hear it over there. Oh my gosh. That thing is so angry. It's so angry.
Oh god, that's a hole. Oh no.
Oh, that's a tree.
I gotta hide.
Yeah, I don't even know where I am. I'm hiding behind a tree too.
Byron is good.
You got to leave a few obstacles for Byron. Just 6S, bro. Whoa. There you go. Almost. Oh my god, there's a root there.
Not a recovery moment there at all.
You broke the stick. Jeez.
Oh. Bumper.
Yeah?
Push it in a little bit.
It's fine. Don't worry about it.
It'll be okay. It's just a it's just a toy.
It's just a slash. Oh my god. There was a tree there. Oh my god. I think you can see it right through the... Whoa. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it is durable.
It's a good shot.
Battery come loose?
Really?
Hit hard enough.
Just that right there did it?
That did it.
That did it?
That.
Oh. No, it's not the battery.
Is it the ESC?
It's just flashing. Whoa, that's hot.
It's usually flashing red. Oh, okay.
I think I just jarred it a little bit.
It didn't like that. Is the motor hot?
Oh. It hurt. Yeah, let's little ring.
Well, all the way down the hill it went. Backflip stump.
Look at Alex.
He's trying to get out of the way. The body. Whoa. Hitting the phone.
What's wrong? There you go.
He's hiding behind a tree. Nice. You got so close to hitting parked cars. Now Edmundo has it. Slowest rollover ever. Oh. Oh. Almost parked cars. Well, we just put the brand new 272 transmission in here and it's been running pretty good. No! Come on, Mudboss. I feel way off the track.
I feel like we should just...
You broke it? What did you break?
The servo.
Oh, broke the servo? Yeah, you called it. Wow.
How new was that? How long did it last?
Dude, his hand...
Like 2 weeks old?
And of abuse.
The day that it got released?
Good. That's the stock one too.
Yep, that's the champion.
Champion. Oh my gosh,
No. Yeah. Look at the grill. The grill is hanging on for dear life. Ah! Yeah, there we go. Here, come play with her, knock the grill off. Okay. Byron's on Bigfoot now. She's been perfect for me.
The grill's on the other side of it.
Yeah, look at the grill. This is hilarious. Oh my gosh. Look at the grill. Hello. Yeah, I still got a Max X. Oh my gosh. There went something. What happened? Byron had it for like 2 minutes.
Both drive shafts.
Drive shaft?
Yeah, this one over here.
Oh. Oh, on the inside?
Hold on.
Lasted 1 minute with you, Byron. Oh my gosh.
Track.
Alrighty, we got the X-Maxx. Go hit this blue ramp and see what happens. Well, something's clogged, but it's still running.
You got the G with the real one. Yeah. That was beautiful.
I might have broken his ramp.
Yeah.
Uda's power. One flip almost.
Nice.
Being expensive, mate. Oh,
Traxxas tough, baby. Traxxas tough.
this is tough. She ain't scared of it.
That's a great backflip ramp. I've never seen it better. So explain to us what's going on here, man.
Okay, so running a 3S battery right here.
Okay.
This is the pump motor, so this just spins to make pump. This is the reservoir for the hydraulic fluid, and then the servos right here are basically on like a valve here. So as the servos turn, they open and close the valves so the fluid can go in and out of each cylinder.
Okay.
And then this is our motor to turn, and then we have two down here for the tracks, and we've got like 3D printed accessories to scale it out, and like these are all aftermarket lines, and this one's been heavily modified.
And correct me if I'm wrong, but this thing costs more than most used cars, right?
Yeah. They're in the thousands.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Gavin's letting me try out his excavator here. This thing's crazy. This thing is so much fun. Let's be shifting dirt up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at all that dirt. That's crazy amount of dirt right there. Got some little pebbles there.
Having fun with that?
Dude, this thing is so much fun.
More like fruity pebbles.
Yeah, really.
Roar. That's Alex.
Oh yeah, that is Alex. I got your rocks, sir. Yeah, we got the big rocks in there. We found some pay dirt, boys. Yeah. This is Gold Rush Texan style. Nom 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 nom. Nom nom. All right, now we're gonna attempt to pull Edmundo in a wagon. And you got life insurance, right? So you're good? All right, good.
Yeah! Let's go. Now, here's gonna be the funny part whenever you go to try to stop.
He's getting his stance down. And they went to 50.
Well, it broke. Piece of junk.
Bye.
Bye bye.